In this video, we are discussing plastic surgery search engine marketing, often referred to as SEM, and its effectiveness as a strategy to grow your practice. SEM is a great way to drive a lot of traffic to your site instantly. SEM is also known as PPC, which stands for pay per click, and that is because many search engines only charge you when someone clicks on your ad, and doesn't charge for impressions or users seeing your ad. As for generating new patients, this is a very effective strategy. Search engine marketing is difficult to manage and implement by yourself or with your staff's help. Usually, you will want to hire a specialist in the aesthetic space because they will be able to understand that certain procedure key terms bring in more high-value patients. The typical cost associated with SEM ranges widely, depending on the procedures that you want to target, your market size, and how competitive the search term is in your market. Here's a simple breakdown for different practices, but expect a budget between $750 and $5,000 or more, depending on your situation. There are 6 major ranking factors that affect how well your ad will perform on a search engine. These are not in any particular order. Maximum bid amount. Bid amount does affect how often your ads are shown and the ranking of your ads. However, having the highest bid does not guarantee that your ad will rank first. Expected click-through rate of your ad. This is the metric of the likelihood that users will click your ad, and this is related to the actual content or copy of the ad. The relevance of each keyword to its ad group. You want to ensure your keywords are all closely related to your ad group. Landing page quality and relevance. How quickly your website loads plays a factor, as well as the content on the page. Does the page actually discuss what was being advertised in the ad? The relevance of your ad text. Again, this relates to the ad copy and how relevant it is to your ad group's keywords. Your historical AdWords account performance and site engagement. This is concerned with how your ads account has historically performed. It is important to note that while SEM can propel your site to the top of search results and generate new patients immediately, once your ad budget runs out, you no longer see any benefit. The other digital marketing strategies have benefits that build upon each other, and even SEM can greatly benefit from a strong SEO strategy.